Please keep in mind that COMcheck is not the only way to ensure code compliance. It happens to be one of the simpler and cheaper ways to get it done, but is not the only way. When creating the report, it begins by selecting the region in which the project will be taking place and entering the basic information for the project like the title and address. From there, all of the rooms, sizes, and uses can be inputted to be used later. Next comes the actual checks, starting with the envelope, in which the exterior of the building is checked for code compliance. All of the exterior walls are inputted with each of their openings documented, may they be windows or doors. After the envelope is checked, it is time to move on to lighting. Using the previously inputted room set, each room gets their designated light setup inputted into the system. Each room is allowed to have a certain amount of lighting based on size and use. The program aims to ensure that the limit is not exceeded. Once the interior lighting is checked and ready to go, it is time to move on to the exterior. The projected exterior lighting is inputted and checked against the lighting code. From there, it is time to move forward to mechanical, which primarily concerns the HVAC of the building. Each unit and its corresponding information is inputted and checked. After each section has been completed, it comes time to generate the report. If everything passes, then the building with the specified setup complies with the necessary codes, and the report is ready to be added to the plan set. If the building does not pass, it is time to go through and see what changes to the building can be made to get the building to comply. May the changes be drastic or minor, they are still necessary to get the report needed to move forward with the project.